Coming up in this video, I've got a lovely brandy punch cocktail for you using tea. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman and I'd love it if you subscribe to this channel if you want to drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks. Right, cocktail for you today, a brandy based cocktail. It's going to be a highball serve, but we're going to make it in our cocktail shaker. So the first ingredient we want is 50 ml of a decent brandy. There isn't many other tastes, many other sort of different notes coming through this cocktail, so you want a pretty decent brandy for this one. 50 ml. The next ingredient you want is some good old English black tea. Here's some I prepared earlier. It's in my Cornish blue, and I've got some Smuggler's Brew tea in here. So I just want 50 ml, unsweetened, just 50 ml of tea. Now the next ingredient you want is some peach. Now you could go peach brandy, but I'm actually going to use, because most houses and most pubs and bars have got this, I'm actually going to use Archer's, which is a peach schnapps, and I just want 10 ml. There we go. I said 10 ml of that, and now I just need my citrus and my sugar element. So I'm going to get 15 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then the final ingredient is just 10 ml of sugar syrup. There we go, 10 ml. Right, that's essentially our cocktail. So all I need to do now is just ice down my shaker. And then pop my tin on and give it a good hard and fast shake for about 12 seconds. When that's nice and chilled, take your tin out, your glass out, and again I just want to single strain this into my highball glass. Lovely jubbly. And then I'm just going to top up with fresh ice. You could use the ice out of the shaker if you want, I'm just using fresh ice. Bit of crushed ice on top. There we go. Now it's up to you. You could go for some Angostura bitters as your garnish if you wanted to. I'm just going for a couple of dashes just on top. And then just to set this off, I'm going for a dehydrated orange wheel. There we go. And that is my brandy punch using black tea. Lovely jubbly. Right, popping up on screen in a second will be some more brandy cocktails for you to check out on my channel, but I'd love it if you gave this a name. So in the comments below, come up with your name suggestions. Big shout out as always to all my Patreons. Thank you very much for your love and support. It's my brandy punch. Cheers.